Hi, I'm Megha Sathe, an architect. मुझे एक planned और disciplined lifestyle बहुत पसंद है. I love my life, my family and my job. And this is because of my husband Shikhar. We both plan all the aspects of our lifestyle together. And yes, of course, family planning being one of the most important aspects of a planned lifestyle. Immediately, मेरे पहले बच्चे के बाद मुझसे मेरे डॉक्टर ने पूछा, दूसरा कब? मैं तो मानो चीख ही पड़ी. एक बच्चा, परिवार, घर और अपना काम एक साथ हैंडल करना, it's not an easy task. And on top of that, I have to be comfortable with all the aspects of my life. Then why not contraceptive?
Megha, my suggestion to you, go for an IUD. See, an intrauterine device is one of the best means to avoid unwanted pregnancy. You don't have to worry about anything and forget it once the IUD is inserted.
Okay, but what happens when I do want my second child?
The best advantage of an UCare IUD as a method of contraception, although it can stay in the uterus for the period ranging from 3 to 5 years, it can be removed at any time before the full term.
But will that affect my fertility in any manner?
The IUDs do not cause infertility or any fertility problem. In fact, using the non-hormonal uterine device allows you to get pregnant once you stop using it, quicker than any other method of birth control. You can return to full fertility without any delay.
Doctor, is the procedure of inserting an IUD very complicated?
Don't worry, it's a simple procedure and there is no surgery required for it. After the initial discomfort of a few days, you can resume all your regular activities without even being conscious of its presence.
So I went in for the UCare IUD, one of the surest and the safest way of protection against unwanted pregnancy. Since past 4 years, I and Shikhar have been living a wonderful life without worrying about any unwanted pregnancy. And we've been able to give all the love and attention to Ria that would have probably got divided if we would have had another child at that point of time. And on top of that, I've got all the time and freedom to progress professionally in my life. In fact, after having UCare IUD inserted, both I and Shikhar have even forgotten about its existence. Today, I and my family are living a very happy life together.
Papa, पकड़ लिया, पापा को पकड़ लिया. पापा.
अब
मैं या मम्मी चुप के और पकड़ो.
अच्छा, ठीक है. चल जाओ, छुप जाओ. मेघा, तुम्हें नहीं लगता कि हमें अब रिया को एक साथी देना चाहिए?
या मैं भी यही बात सोच रही थी.
Megha, this is the best thing about this method of contraception. The UCare IUD not only allows you to lead an active normal life, but it can be removed anytime, whenever you want, and the whole process is reversed. Okay? So, please come in.
It's my choice, my life.